Well, hello everyone, welcome back to Design Cafe's YouTube channel. I'm Ananya Jose, your interior designer. So if you're a homeowner about to venture on your journey of getting your interiors done, the whole process might be quite overwhelming. We're here to make this a tad bit easier for you by taking you through the 5 most important things that an interior designer must show you during your design phase. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Now, when words aren't enough, there's mood boards. In simple terms, mood board is a visual of a collection of fabric swatches, paint samples, or even inspirational pictures. Now, this is basically the first step of design, and this comes even before the designing stage itself. This avoids any sort of communication gap between you and your designer and gives you a fair idea as to in which direction your design is going. So in your initial discussions, your designer must take you through this so that you can understand and visualize the final outcome. I would also suggest if you have any pictures that are saved, please show this to your designer so that they know what kind of designs that you're looking for. Once you've gone back and forth with your initial thoughts and ideas, it is time for your designer to convert these thoughts into 3-dimensional models. Now, you need to understand that designing is a process, so initially these models are very raw and basic. But after a few iterations, it starts to look more like the final product itself. Now, this is also the most transparent way of getting to know each other's thought process. Also to understand if you're both on the same page with respect to your designs. Now, there are often various mechanisms and accessories available in the market for your kitchen and wardrobes. This will vary depending on the cost and usage of the product. Now, knowing your requirements, if your designer provides you with all the options available that is suitable for your design layout, it really helps you to make an informed decision. After finalizing your 3D designs and choosing your materials, it's time for your interior designer to provide you with a final set of renders. Now, a 3D render is basically a computer-generated image of how the final product is going to look in real life. Although these are almost an accurate representation of the final outcome, you still have to keep in mind that it is a computer-generated image at the end of the day, and it may not look exactly the same in your home in natural daylight. This must be the final step of the design phase for the easy transition from design phase to production phase. Now, you might have made a million changes to your design along the process, maybe your handles, your units, your materials, etc. So to avoid any sort of confusion, it is a must to get a final document with all the approved designs, 3D renders, the working drawings, and even your final costing from your designer. It is also very important for you to go through this whole document, no matter how boring or tedious it may be. Now, this way there is no scope for miscommunication or error during the time of handover. So I hope this video helped you to figure out what you need to expect from your designer during the design stage. Now, if you're still on the horizon on how to pick your designer, please check out our previous video. The link is right here. If you have any other design related queries, please leave a comment below and we'll get into it in our next segment. Until then, like, share, subscribe and watch this space for more.